Hello, friends. It's me, Delilah, the chatty cat. I'm speaking to you today from the Learning Bridge School, but unfortunately, it's closed. It's very sad. Never mind. I'm here to tell you another of my fantastic stories. This one is about a father and his 3 sons. The 3 boys were always arguing, fighting, and quarreling. One day, their father, tired of their arguing, brought a pile of sticks to them. The boys were very confused. Why? The father took the sticks and, with a rope, he tied them together. Then he challenged his boys to break the sticks. The 3 boys all tried very, very hard to break the sticks, but they couldn't. They were very confused. The father then untied the sticks and gave them to the boys. He told them to break them. They broke them easily, very easily. The father said to them, "If you are united and help each other, you will be strong, like the sticks when they were tied together. But if you fight and argue with each other, you are divided and you will break easily like those individual sticks." So you see, it's important that we are united in these difficult times. See you soon. Bye.